Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find out what the longest chord of a circle is known as. So the best way to understand this type of question is through geometry. So at first let us draw a circle. So this is a circle, right? Now any line, or rather we should say any line segment which passes, okay, wait a minute, yeah, so any line segment, it's not working, so any line segment which intersects the circumference of a circle at two exact points is known as chord of a circle. So this is a chord, this is another chord, and this is another chord. So all of these are chord of a circle. Now what's the difference between the chord and the diameter of a circle is that the diameter of a circle is the largest possible chord which we can make in the circle. So what's the definition of diameter? So diameter is the largest possible chord of a circle. So if you carefully observe, here we have drawn three chords. So the largest chord which is possible is this one, AB. So AB will be known as the diameter of a circle, or you can say in, or you can define this in another way. Suppose you are standing anywhere on the periphery of the circle. Suppose you are standing over here, right? Now you have been asked to go from one end to the exactly opposite end, right? From one end to the exactly opposite end in the shortest possible way. Then the shortest possible way will be the diameter of the circle, that is this path. So B is exactly diametrically opposite to A, and the shortest path which you can take is from A to B. Any other path which you will take will be more than the part AB. So here I am drawing alternative paths. So as you can see that all these paths are greater than the path AB. So the shortest path is the diameter of the circle. Therefore, upon checking the options, we see that option A will be our required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.